C.R. Smith got lots of really good reviews. When we did our research, they always came out as one of the top companies. From the first phone call, someone was in touch very quickly. James, the rep who lives in the village, came to the house with several encasements to show us different styles, several brochures. We knew we wanted the sliding sash windows and the Georgian look. The look of the astragals, they thought they would just enhance the look of the house. From the minute they came out, they were so quick, replacing, taking out the old windows, clearing up after them. Absolutely, you wouldn't know they had been in. There was nothing left behind once they had finished. I think it looks really nice, especially from the outside. I think it really does enhance the look of the house. And we thought probably originally would have had that style of window. Certainly is lighter, quieter, there's no wind, no drafts, just a lot cosier. The aftercare from C.R. Smith has been great. As soon as the work was finished, they rang several times to see we were satisfied with the work, there was no problems, so C.R. Smith have more than delivered.